fight is over. Don't fall, be stronger. It's a long way down and heaven surrounds you. But now I've found you. I'll risk everything.
I'll risk it all, I'll risk everything. I'll risk the poison, I'll risk medicine. I'll risk the motive, I'll risk evidence. I'll risk the breadline, I'll risk benefits. So many times I broke your heart when trying to do the opposite. So hard to find direction when you live without apologies. Can feel the pain of taking over. The trick is staying sober instead of white knuckles gripping to this roller coaster. Take them with a pinch of salt. The stories that they told you. Love scars become trophies when you're getting